it's Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today we are back with another decluttering video. I think today I am going to try to tackle my inks and possibly my mixed media supplies. I don't really know how long this will take, but we are doing 10-minute increments so that we don't get overwhelmed. We're not cleaning, we're not organizing, we are just decluttering the things that need to go, whether we just don't love them anymore or whether they don't work, they're out, they're empty, and we are either trashing them or we are donating them if they're still good. It's okay not to love the things, and it's sad that we spent money on it, and this hobby is not cheap, but if we don't love it, there's no point in keeping it and not using it, and it's just taking up valuable space, and it's inventory that you have to manage. And I'll be honest with y'all, I am decluttering along with y'all. I'm organizing along with y'all. My room is a mess right now, hence why I am organizing and cleaning up along with y'all. But we don't want to get burned out, so we are just doing 10 minutes. If you feel like doing more than that, or if it's going to take you longer to do that for each category, don't overthink it. Don't overthink it, because moving some of the things out we don't love, it just makes it easier when we are going to organize. But letting go of some of those things is better than nothing, and still being overwhelmed and not having enough space. So we are going to set the timer. I am going to move the camera around for a better view so that y'all aren't trying to look through me. This is the extent of my ink supply. You can't even see all of it. But I do have these inks here. Let's see if I can turn the camera a little bit. I just moved this crate. It normally does not sit here, but I have these inks, these, and these. And then I have all these little ones that are normally in a different container. So I need to clean those out. And then, like I said, if there's still time for the mixed media stuff, I have this here. I already can tell you there's probably nothing in it that's going. This is just like my sprays and things like that. But if you have sprays that are clogged up, you can still use them, taking the lid off, if you use them. If you got them to try them out and you don't love them, let them go. Someone else would be so happy to get it so that they can play around and try it out also. And then I have my brushes. I do have these markers. Markers and pens are a different category. And I forgot to mention, I'm holding it in my hand. I do have this printable I created. If this is your first time tuning into the decluttering series, there is several videos before this. I'm going to try to link all of them in the description each day as we gain traction. But this is available in my Facebook group. The link for that is below. And if you're not on Facebook, but you would still like a copy, you can send me an email at the email listed below in the description, and I will get this to you. So far we've done paper, washi, and adhesive. You do not have to declutter what I am decluttering. Some of these may not even apply to you. Some of them honestly don't even apply to me. Like, I don't really have cords and cables. But some of these all won't apply to you. And that's okay. Pick and choose. Spend your 10 minutes wisely. Hit the hot spots. And, you know, like I said, you may have to do 10 minutes for some categories. I know some of them will be bigger ones, definitely for me. Especially with, like, embellishments and stickers and things. So, let's just get to decluttering. And let me get the camera moved and we'll get busy, y'all. Okay. I have the camera reset up somewhat. I'm hoping it doesn't fall because I don't normally film other than my table, so I'm having to rearrange things. Okay, so I just have this empty wooden box. This is something I use a lot in my room to store embellishments, things like that on my table. But I have this empty because I've been dumping stuff out and putting stuff away. So I'm just going to put my donation stuff in here, or even trash. I'm going to go through it all later. If you know that you're going to have a lot of things that are trash, just get your trash bag, bring your trash can over, toss it, and save yourself the step. Okay, so first off, I have all of these. These are my Distress Oxide inks, all the ones I have. I'm not getting rid of them. I did buy this organizer on scrapbook.com. No, Amazon. And I'll try to remember to link that below. It's kind of made out of a really thick foam board, and it's actually, I love it a lot more than I do these that I got on scrapbook.com a long time ago. This is what I did have, but I could only fit one on each thing. And so I like this that I can fit two. And this one was a lot cheaper than buying these acrylic ones. So, anyways, I have all of my Ranger inks here. Okay, maybe I should start the timer. Okay, now I'm starting the timer. Okay, I have all my Ranger inks, and I'm going to keep these. I may go back and test them all. I'm pretty sure they all still work. This is what I used to use whenever I was inking my embellishments before I got turned on to the Distress Oxides, and I just like them better because they're smoother. I have this little Blackberry Bliss stamping spot. I'm going to keep it because it's brand new. I think all of these can go. Like I said, I used to use these to ink up my embellishments. All of these are Studio G, so I think these are like from Michaels. And y'all, I haven't been to Michaels in years and years. These things are probably 10 years old, and they still work because I used them not long ago. But I don't reach for these anymore. I don't use them. I might as well just pass them along so someone else can get the use out of them. So I'm going to put these in here to be donated. Like I said, I'm keeping all of these, and I'm going to keep these. These I am keeping, all of them. This is a Vicky Boutin stamp wheel. Honestly, I think I will let it go. I haven't used it, but maybe once or twice. It's still brand new. I got it on Peachy Cheap as part of a Vicky Boutin deal. So I am going to let that go because I just don't use it. And then I have all of these. These are old. They're like 15 years old, and they are still juicy. These are the old Close to My Heart ink pads that open up and swivel. And I don't like the fact of how hard they are to open, but they still work great, and I think it's because they do close so tightly. So I'm keeping all of those. Now, the next thing is, I do have these mementos that I got. I got these on clearance. I'm going to let them all go. I'll keep the black. But I'm going to let all of these ones go, and they are still like new. I got these Ranger ones on clearance, and I have used a few of the colors. I think I may keep the gray and the green and the yellow one. I don't know. I do like this orange blossom color. It's like a deeper, darker color. I've opened it, so I'm going to keep it. This one, it says it's deep purple. I'm going to let it go. It's brand new. I got it on clearance for $1.74 not too long ago. But it can go. I've not used it. Someone else will love it. It will probably be in a future giveaway when I reach 3,000 subscribers. I'm planning on doing another giveaway. A big one. And I have all of these that I also got on clearance. They're all Stay Zone. I have my two Versamark. One's dirty and one's brand new, if I can keep it that way. If you watch me, you know I don't wash my stamps. It's dirty. I think I'm just going to let all of these go. I don't think I need them. Let's see. It says fade resistant dye ink. This one says it's a solvent ink. I wonder what the difference is. I've only opened one of these and used it. Okay, I'm just going to let them go. There's no point in me keeping them. I'm not using them. I don't think I have a need for them. I have my close to my heart inks, and I have these inks, and I have these inks. So, and these ones are, I don't know. I'm going to keep them for now, but it's still up in the air because these are just gold and silver that I got. I haven't even opened this one. I noticed this doesn't stamp good, but maybe I'm just doing something wrong. I don't know. Anyways. Okay, so that's all my inks. And we still have 5.5 minutes left. So, let's move down and we'll look through this real quick. Like I said, this is my mixed media. This is all I have. Some of these are homemade sprays. Some of these are just the ones I normally use. I have this. I bought it and it's huge. I don't really want to get rid of it. I might actually keep a little bit of it, put it in a different container, and then get rid of the rest because this is so chunky, it doesn't emboss good. I don't know. I guess maybe you could use it for, I don't know, something you wanted chunky. I don't know. But these are all my sprays, my glossy accents. I'm trying to look. Yeah, I don't think there's anything I want to let go in that. And then down here I have my embossing powders, all the different ones. I don't think there's any I want to let go. I don't keep a lot of this stuff, and some of y'all may have more expansive collections than me, but I just don't do a lot of mixed media, so I just have the basics. I got this in a peachy cheap deal to try it out, but this Bow Bunny glitter paste, and I've only used it a few times. I wanna use it, so I'm gonna keep it for now, but it may end up going at a later date. So up here I have this new micro glaze and my texture paste. Both of these are new. I just got this one to try from a class that I took, the micro glaze. Haven't used it yet. These smooches, I have not used these. I think you're supposed to be able to like paint them on. They're still really good. But somebody gifted me these. These are old, y'all. I'm surprised they're still not dried up. I don't know what you would, they're pearlized accent ink, it says. But I'm going to let them go because I haven't used them. So, I have a few stickles and perfect pearls over here that I use. This is my alcohol ink and my re-inkers. I only have a few of those. I think everything's good. I have this Distressed Crackle Paint. Fired Brick. I have never used it. Maybe I need to watch a YouTube and see how Tim Holtz uses this. Maybe I could use it for Christmas since it's red. I don't know. But if I don't use it soon, I am going to let it go because I need more space for more re-inkers. So ultimately, I want to buy more things, so I need to get rid of some stuff. This is my shimmer brushes. Oh, there's my other water brush. That don't go there. I'm going to put it where it goes. I have looked everywhere for it. This is my shimmer brushes, and I'm not getting rid of any of them. Some of them have an X because they're real close to being empty, but I'm still going to use them until they don't work anymore. Let's see. What are these? Oh, I haven't ever even opened these. These are Wink of Stella brushes. Yeah, I ordered some extra gold ones whenever Close to My Heart was going out of business because it's my favorite in the clear. Okay, y'all. I think that's it. We still have 1 minute and 40 seconds left. So you guys probably have a better selection of things than I do. It may take you longer, and that's okay. Keep going. The only other thing I have is this. This is, my friend bought me this Tim Holtz ink pad holder. But I like this. I don't like this. But I have been using this. If I go to a crop, I'll put the colors I want to use in it. But as you can tell, I have more daubers hidden in here, locked up away from Pip, so that he can't steal it. So I think that is it. Definitely come over to the Facebook group and post your photos of what you decluttered. Oh, let me show you our bin. Here's our bin of what we decluttered today. What I decluttered. I'm dropping them. Like I said, all these new and in package products will go in my giveaway. I'm like 300 away from. I'm sorry, I can't see my face, so I know it's probably going to get on y'all's nerves too. So you can at least see me. I will put those in my giveaway for when I hit 2,000 subscribers, which I'm about 300 away. So if you're not a subscriber, if this is your first time, hit the button and subscribe. I would love to have you. We're going to have fun all month organizing and decluttering. This first week or week and a half is going to just be decluttering, working on the bingo. So if you need this, it's on the group. There's our 10-minute timer. 10 minutes is such a long time, y'all. Who knew? Who knew 10 minutes was so long whenever you're decluttering? But if you focus, you can get a lot accomplished. Okay, so I think that's going to be it for today. Come check us out. Like, come back tomorrow. Come check out the Facebook group and share. And I'm sorry if this is a hot mess. We're still getting rain from the hurricane. When I'm filming this, it's still September. And this is what happens to naturally curly hair, even with product on it. So I promise I brushed my hair. And I'm filming videos back to back. So you might see this in a few of them. So hopefully it won't turn you away. So you guys come hang out with me. Come back. Check out the Facebook group. And I will post all the links below for any videos you may have missed. You can go back and watch. Each one is labeled for what we're decluttering or what we're organizing that day to make them easy to find. And tell your friends if you enjoy this. So until next time, bye y'all.